Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So if you are in UK and you'll be asking, can you use Kalodata for UK TikTok account? So in this video I'm going to be walking you through if it's actually possible to use Kalodata for UK TikTok account. So I'm going to show you all the countries that Kalodata actually support, so that you'll be able to know if you subscribe for Kalodata, if you'll be able to use it to do maybe product research and all that. So I'm going to be logging into my own Kalodata account right here. So you can see I have a premium account and then I have access to almost all these features right here. Right, so you can see this Kalodata, this is a dashboard inside, and I already logged in. And if you check on the top right here, you can see the location is United States, which is the country. But if you click on the drop down, then you're gonna see all the country that Kalodata actually supports. So if your country is actually listed right here, that means Kalodata can work in your country. So not every country is actually listed, which means not every country Kalodata actually support. But then if you see your country right here, that means Kalodata is supported in your country. So you can see United States, you can see Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines, United Kingdom, and Singapore. So I'm going to be switching to United Kingdom so that you'll be able to see all the products that are actually trending. And if you have some information about products that people are actually buying in United States right now, then you'll be able to confirm that this is actually correct. So I'm going to be switching to United Kingdom right here. All right, so you can see the product have changed from how it is from United States to how it is with United Kingdom, as you can see right here. So these are the top products that are trending in the United Kingdom. So you can see all these products right here. These are the products that are trending, that people are buying. And if you scroll all the way down, you see top creators in the United Kingdom and top shops as well. And then if you scroll down again, you see top live streaming, top video and ads. Then you're gonna see different categories. But then if you don't subscribe or sign up on this platform, you might not be able to see the accurate data that Kalodata is actually pulling up for you. So, and there are different features which of course I have also make a full video review about Kalodata and how it works and how you can also use it for product research. So you can see I'm currently on the explore page. We have category, shops, creator, product, video and ads, then live streaming. So as you can see right here, which is the competitors list, brand strategy, affiliate creator, hot video, trending product, and you also have hot live, which is live streaming as well. So as you can see, which means Kalodata is supported in UK, and you can use Kalodata to do product research in UK based on UK product only, right? UK product only. As you can see, I switch so that you're able to see that okay, the product are actually trending in the United Kingdom right now is different from product that is trending in the United States. So as you can see, you are, if you can backward the video, you'll be able to see some products that are trending in the United Kingdom. So in this particular one, I'm going to be switching to Malaysia, so you can see the product will be totally different. All right, totally different. So you can see right here, so these are another entire product from another country. So you can see Kalodata pull up an amazing data, so you can look into that. And I'm also using the, I think I'm using the professional plan. So I'm using this particular plan right here. So you can see for the monthly plan and for the yearly plan, you're gonna be paying let's say $27 like that. So for the monthly, you're gonna be paying $40. So it depends on which one work for you. But then if you want to see much more data, I will suggest you go for the professional one, which is which actually give more insight. That's for the Malaysia. If you switch to United Kingdom, the price would definitely be changed to your own country actually. So you can see for the professional account, for yearly plan $75, and for the monthly plan that's $90. right? So with this, you'll be able to get enough data and enough research. But if you want to just get started and you feel like, okay, you don't trust these tools, or maybe you're having some doubt or something like that, you can actually try the starter plan, which is $46. So it depends on which one actually work for you. But then for my recommendation, if that actually means something to you, I would suggest you go for the professional plan. So you can find the link to subscribe to the Kalodata in the description below, and you also get some discount, right? So if you have any other question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I'll try as much as possible to help you out. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.